During the last 2 years I had to change 5 countries with this 12 kilo PC case. So I thought I needed something more travel and luggage friendly and decided to build a smaller PC. So this is my old case, here are all the specs. Here are the temperatures during the render, and this is in idle mode. So the general idea was that workstations should take less space in the suitcase. I've chosen the S400 case. It has different manufacturer names, but you can easily find it as S400. Here is a direct comparison of the sizes. As for the components, I made a mistake with the PSU. I've chosen the L model and it turned out to be big for this case. I kept the old GPU because thanks to Nvidia it is impossible to get a new GPU for a reasonable price on the current market. For case fan I used this 120mm slim one. The top bracket should fit 2 of them, but the GPU power cable was interfering with it, so I installed only one. Unfortunately, there were no screws included, although they are mentioned in the spec sheet, but my roommate helped me out. The motherboard has 2 SSD slots on both sides, so I used the ones from the old build. The PSU was big for this case, so I had to push all the cables inside and apply some force, but it all worked out well. I am bad at cable management, so this is the final look. When I received the case, I was afraid that GPU might not fit in, but it fits perfectly and there is plenty of space left. This is the cable I mentioned that didn't let me install the second fan on top bracket. Alright, now let's check the weight of the new build. The old one was 12 kilos and as you can see, there is a significant weight reduction. And this is how much space it takes in the suitcase. The CPU was a little bit hot, so I had to tweak the temperature limit in BIOS and locked it to 81 degrees. You can ask me why don't you go with a laptop, but I've been using laptops for more than 15 years and unfortunately you cannot fight the physics and put powerful components inside the tiny case. And besides the fact that laptops are now crazy expensive, they are also really hot and noisy because when the temperature, especially with Intel CPU, skyrockets up to 95 degrees, the noise rises up to 50 or more decibels and it's just like a plane taking off. Thanks so much for watching, I hope you liked this video and I'll see you in the next one.